Hi, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is the x20BT from floorcare.biz. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So you found out that your bristles on your brush are worn and you need to replace your brush, and or if you have a pad driver, you need to replace your pad driver. Super simple. Just take your pad driver or brush and rotate it. Pull it out just like that. Now, reinstalling is the same way. It's a 3-lug system. Line up the lugs and twist it. Be sure to put your skirt back down, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.